Hey you guys! Tonight we are going to make dinner. And we are going to make black pepper chicken. So let's get cooking! Here's the list of ingredients and the items you'll need for making black pepper chicken. To make the sauce mixture, put parsley and thyme in a bowl. Add 1 cup of chicken stock, 1/4 cup of mirin, 1/2 cup of oyster sauce. Add 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, then 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Mix well to combine, then set aside for later. In a separate container, combine the herb powder mixture. Mix them thoroughly and set aside for later. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Put them in a mixing bowl. So let's go ahead and season our meat. Add 3 teaspoons of kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper. Then gradually add 1/2 cup of corn flour. It was getting difficult to mix with a plastic glove, so we're using our bare hands. Mix well until all pieces are coated. Let's go ahead and cook our chicken. Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium-high heat. When bubbles are formed around the stick, the oil is hot. Put the pieces of chicken in a pan and cook them in batches. Cook them for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden. Flip them over and cook the other side for equal time. Remove the cooked pieces into a paper towel lined bowl. Repeat the process until the mixing bowl becomes empty. It's time to make our black pepper chicken. Add the remaining 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok over medium-high heat. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the sliced onions. Sauté until translucent. Then add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Sauté until fragrant. Then add the pieces of chicken. Stir until well combined. Carefully pour the sauce mixture. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the powder mixture. Adjust the amount to your liking. Simmer for 15 to 30 minutes or until the sauce has reduced. Then stir occasionally. Add more coarse ground black pepper as needed. Time for taste test. Tastes really good. Add the celery and stir it. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, then turn the heat off. There you have it, my black pepper chicken. Serve warm with rice and enjoy! You may also freeze the leftover for up to 1 month.
Hey!
So it's perfect.
Dude, it's so good.
Okay, guys. Eating time. It's very good.